Creative masks with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, we're going to create a nice sunset effect over a mountain range image here by combining two photographs together by using a mask to facilitate it. So I'm going to move the photograph up. I really only want the top section of the sunset to blend over the mountain. So I'm going to apply a basic mask, and then I'm going to use the gradient tool in Photoshop to apply a black and white gradient. Now black hides, white shows in relation of the world of masks. You'll see what it does here. So if I introduce the majority of the black, starting from here right up to the sunset and let go, you'll see it blends nicely and hides the bottom section. So black, if you look at my mask here, is in the bottom section, and it's hiding out what I don't want to be seen and the little bit of white there. You can see if I introduce a little bit more white into the masking areas by dragging the gradient, it gradiates between the black and the white to give me the tone that I'm happy with. So I'm happy with that. I move it into position. And just to tweak it, I'm going to just take out some of the heat of the sun from the photograph by applying an adjustment layer of hue and saturation. I'm going to go to my saturation slider, give that a little bit slide down. You see, it just takes some of the life out. And if I go too far, you know, get you in black and white, but just enough in there to kind of make it feel that it's part of the mountains itself. And there you go. There's a nice effect. Follow for more graphic design tips.